Your Orinda, California septic tank may not be something you often think about. However, when issues arise, it will certainly rise to the top of your mind. One common question from East Bay area homeowners is about septic tank replacement. How often should a homeowner have to replace the tank itself? Realistically, the time frame for when you will need to have your septic tank replaced in your Orinda home is anywhere from 15 to 40 plus years. The primary deciding factor on how long your tank will last is the material of your septic tank. Redwood septic tanks are starting to fail, collapsing in the ground. Thus, they are being replaced with concrete septic tanks. Concrete septic tanks can last over 40 years when properly cared for. Fiberglass polyethylene septic tanks, often called plastic, can last anywhere from 20 to 40 years. Proper maintenance is the best way to prolong the life of your septic tank for as long as possible. If a septic tank replacement is in your future in Orinda, California, Avalon is here for you. So call us today at 510-399-8744 for a free quote.